Hey guys, Roy's Touch here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe. And if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful look, then stay tuned. Start out by placing my concealer from LA Girl in the color Fawn on both lids, and then I'm going to blend it out with my sponge. As I already know, I only set my highlight with SACHA Buttercup, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just setting underneath my eyes. And guys, my face was already like done. It was already done. I'm just doing my eye look over, so that's why you see my face is, you know, kind of done already. I'm just touching it up and redoing my eye look. So I went into my JUVIAS place ZULU palette, and I used the bright orange, and I'm just blending that out. I'm just packing it on and blending it out. And I got this blue pencil, this jumbo pencil from SEPHORA. They G'd me because I thought you can twist the bottom, but no. So I bought this for like $14, $16. I don't really know if it's worth it yet, but whatever. Alright, I'm not exactly sure which brush this is that I'm using, but it's a small blending brush, like for in your crease. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and this took me a little bit of time because I mean I used a pencil. I didn't use an eyeshadow or whatever, but it took a little while to blend it out, but I just kept blending and blending and blending until I got not the perfect look, but a look that I was satisfied with. I went back into the palette and I used some of the yellow and I put it on top of the orange and kind of blended that out together also. And I just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with blending until, you know, it looked how I wanted it to look. To the James Charles palette, I took this shimmery blue and placed it on top of the other blue, and I'm just gonna spread that out with this silicone applicator. I don't know if to call it a brush, but this is like my favorite thing to apply shimmers because I just feel like it comes out, you know, really smooth. So this is what I use for all my shimmers, and then I'm just gonna continue to blend that out as much as I can and as best as I can. Alright, so I don't know if y'all know this or not, but oh my god, eyeliner is like a hit or miss for me. But and that's why I never record it, because I'll be wanting to focus so bad. I don't got time for y'all to be dragging me about my eyeliner, so I don't really record it, but I recorded it this time. And I wanted a nice skinny look, so yeah, that's what I did. I didn't OD with the eyeliner. I'm using a black lip liner pencil from NYX, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. lipstick. This lipstick is actually like really good, as you can see. It's very it's moist. It stayed on. Yeah, it's not bad. Shout out to e.l.f. Y'all did y'all thing. Then I went ahead and I used my NYX gloss, and I put that on top just to give it a more, like, not too glossy, but a glossy look kind of to it. And then y'all know I love the NYX holographic halo highlighter, so that's what I use on both my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, wherever I gotta highlight. And I just use the SEPHORA pencil again for my under eye, and I apply my lashes. And guys, this is the finished look. like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this look below, and let me know if there's anything else you want me to do in the near future.